The strategy I'm about to show you in this video made me over $55,000 within the last few weeks in pocket option trading. This is one of the easiest strategies out there. Before going to the video, make sure to join my free Telegram channel where I give out trading signals every day. Let's get to the video. For this strategy, we will only need a single trend zone. First, go to the TradingView application and select a market. When choosing a market, make sure to select one with a clear trend. If the market is in an uptrend, the market needs to have higher highs and higher lows. If the market is in a downtrend, the market should have lower highs and lower lows. Selecting a market like this is very important to the strategy. After selecting the market, go to the Trend Lines tool and draw a parallel channel. Stretch the line while making sure it touches the next higher lows like this. When drawing this zone, make sure to start from a clear swing low in an uptrend market like this. To enter a buy trade in this market, the market needs to be rejected by the trend zone. If you're trading on a downtrend market, the trend zone needs to be drawn like this, touching multiple lower highs. And once the market is rejected by the parallel channel, we can go for a sell trade in pocket option. Now let's place some trades using this strategy. Here, we can see this market is in an uptrend with few higher lows. Once we drew the trend zone, we can see that the market is currently being rejected by it. So, according to the strategy, I will place a 1-minute buy trade in the pocket option market. I successfully closed that trade. The British pound and US dollar market also seem to be in an uptrend. We can see that the market tried to break past the zone, but couldn't. So, I will place a buy trade right here. I won that trade as well. Let's continue. Here we can see that the market came very close to touching the trend zone. This can also be considered as a rejection from the zone. So, I will place another buy trade right here. As we predicted, the market went up, and I won that trade. Let's place one final trade. This downtrend market has broken through the trend zone I drew. Whenever this happens, it means the market will continue to go upwards. We can use this as an entry for a buy trade in the market. We successfully closed our final trade with a profit. This brings my total to nearly $30. If you guys learned something new in this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, join my Telegram channel for free signals every day. I will see you guys in the next video.